Example 4.15. Mariam invests 12,000 in an account that pays 6% compounded monthly. After that, she intends to withdraw an equal amount every month for 2 years. And when she makes her last withdrawal, which is at the end of that 2 years, her account will have zero balance. Find the size of these withdrawals. So the question is, find the size of this withdrawal. Which withdrawal? It is the monthly withdrawal, equal amount of monthly withdrawal for 2 years. So we know that Mariam invests 12,000 initially, and that account pays 6% compounded monthly. And we want to know how much can Mariam actually withdraw every month for 2 years, so that the amount will last, and at the end of the 2 years, it will have zero balance. Okay, so basically we want to find what is the value of R. So we did know the original value, which is 12,000. This will serve as the present value. Okay, let's calculate for the present value. Where is it? Okay, this is the present value formula for annuity. Why annuity? Because Mariam later will actually withdraw equal amount every month. So that is annuity. So we have the value, which is 12,000. Okay, 12,000. And then that account pays 6% compounded monthly. So 6% compounded monthly. So in a year, 12 times. For how long? For 2 years. So basically 24 times. And then this I is equal to the denominator, which is 0.06 over 12. So that's it. So now you have everything. Calculate for R. The amount that can be withdrawn each month is 724 ringgit point. No, sorry. That is actually the previous question. So when you calculate it, you should get 531.85 cents. So this is the amount that can be withdrawn each month by Mariam for 2 years. Okay. And after 2 years, which is after the 24th times, the account will be zero.